trade? I have so much stuff.
Same.
I have 2 dumplings, a Nito, this wiggly lizard,
Say it again. I can't hear it.
Ferdinand?
3 pretty clicker,
Ferdinand.
this
It's an old movie.
flexi grid thing,
Okay.
this
Yeah.
Oh, it's funny.
little
How about
thing,
you trade
this
these
one.
2 dumplings?
got this magnet for those,
Yeah.
but that stuff is not good.
Do you watch Goat?
You already have
Yeah,
the purple
that's
one.
what I asked.
And I got Tamagotchi, it's Toy Story,
Could you trade the green dumpling?
the green dumpling.
I mean,
Well, I have this tab of squishy. Look at how sticky it is. That one's not that. That one's not good. But your stuff is not good anyways. So, and I don't want all that stuff. I only want that dumpling.
Okay. Okay.
What will you trade for it? Which do you want from me?
You already have that dumpling though. What do you want?
Because it's so good. What will you trade for it?
Will you trade a Nito?
Did we already watch
The
this?
Nito? I mean, I guess the Nito's really bad.
Nito and this.
Guys, trying to scam him. I got this Nito for $2, but it's a fake one. So we could trade in this thing and this Nito. Okay, I'll trade you this and this for that.
Okay. Accept.
Okay. Look at this dumpling.
Wait a minute. This is fake.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No.
Hey, you scared me.
Fine. I'll trade you back this. But I want that cheese and my stuff back.
Okay.
And I'll actually also trade you this little cappuccino assassino.
Okay.
Okay, I accept. Thanks.
I didn't accept yet.
What do you want more?
I have more.
You want me to trade? Guess this is going away. That.